Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Sirona Natural Menstrual Cramp Relief Roll-On for women. 9 ml quantity for 175 rupees. Available on Nykaa Mindra, and this is non-sponsored video. What it says: natural formulation, quick acting, stain free, portable pain relief. No parabens, no formaldehyde, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no alcohol. Made in India product. How to use: do not use more than twice a day. For external use only. Do not use on the open wounds. Do patch test first. Keep away from children. Tight the cap after every use. Do not use more than 3 ml within 12 hours, as they mention on the cardboard packaging. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive skin. This I have used more than 4 to 5 months now and giving the review. Used in painful days. I didn't use this unnecessarily. Okay, product. Effect is not more than 10 minutes. Not that effective for period pain. Also, they have mentioned do not use more than 3 ml within 12 hours. So please keep that in mind. And suits me well, no irritation. I didn't impressed with the product. Okay, kind of. You can give it a try if you want. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.